On behalf of Balu Forge Industries Limited, I'm your host Mayuri Malankar, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this glittish day. It's a momentous occasion and a significant milestone for the company. Very warm welcome to all of you to the opening bell ceremony of Balu Forge Industries Limited. Please put your hands together and let's begin this morning with a round of applause. Thank you once again for taking out time from your busy schedules to be a part of our celebration. And before we proceed, I'll request everyone to rise for the national anthem. Renowned for its commitment to excellence, Balu Forge is a distinguished player in the realm of high-quality machine components. Their extensive product range caters to the multitude of industries, including automotive, aerospace, defense, and more. With a global footprint and an unwavering dedication to innovation, Balu Forge has earned the trust of leading OEMs and the Tier 1 suppliers worldwide. And now, let's extend our gratitude to our esteemed guest. We would like to present a lovely bouquet of flowers. I will request everyone to please put your hands together as I welcome them on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our host, Dr. Harish Ahuja, Head Sustainability, Products and Strategy Development, Carbon and Power Markets, Investor Awareness, Service, Primary Markets Relationship, National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Please put your hands together, everyone, for Mr. Jaspal Singh Prahlad Chandok. Keep clapping as I welcome the Executive Director, Mr. Triman Jaspal Singh Chandok. Gentlemen, we also symbolize the illumination of knowledge and prosperity through the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. I'll request our dignitaries with the family members to kindly join us on the stage. I'll request Dr. Harish Ahuja, Mr. Jatinder Kaur Chandok, Mr. Jairam Chandok, Mr. Triman Chandok, Mr. Jaspal Singh Chandok, Mrs. Navjeet Kaur Chandok, Mrs. Mukta Chandok to join us on the stage for the same. And this marks the prosperous beginning for Balu Forge Industries Limited. It's time to hear from the key personalities of Balu Forge Industries Limited. And now let's express our appreciation with a special memento from NSC to Balu Forge Industries Limited. I'll request Dr. Harish Ahuja to stay back with us. And may request Mr. Jaspal Singh Chandok, Mr. Jaikaran Chandok, Mr. Triman Chandok, Mr. Raghavendra Raj Mehta, Mr. Radhesham Soni, and Ms. Chalu Bandari to join us on the stage as we present this special memento as a congratulatory gesture to Balu Forge Industries Limited. So it's 9:11, ladies and gentlemen. The moment we have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. We are just few seconds away, few minutes away from that golden moment. I will request the family members and the dignitaries to kindly start joining us on the stage slowly. As we slowly approach that golden moment, the countdown has begun. Everybody, are you ready? Yes? Excited? 43 seconds to go, everybody. Let's gather all the energy, all the excitement together for the final countdown. I can feel the energy and the excitement of the people on the stage and off the stage. 27 seconds to go, everybody. Go, let's get ready for the final countdown. Everyone with me? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Balu Forge Industries is now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Congratulations. It's a significant milestone in the journey of the company. All have been a part of their journey in some or the other way. I would like to thank you as well. the audience, family members, friends, well-wishers, board of directors, stakeholders. I think 4 generations are here on the stage. Let's give them a huge round of applause, everybody. 4 generations on the stage together, celebrating this golden moment. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude our listing ceremony, opening bell ceremony. Thank you so much for being a part of our celebration. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से conclude करेंगे आज के इस event को. And with this, Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off. Thank you.